We need some 2x4s for a project, so we're coming to our favorite store. And look at this. For a 2x4, I think that's disgusting, especially since if you look around at all that they have, and they're still keeping that price. So we are gonna make our own 2x4s. We're gonna show you how. It's pretty easy, as long as you have a sawmill. I love this little thing, the steel chainsaw sharpener. It was a gift. I love this thing. It works awesome. You can even use it on a Husqvarna. Who knew? Now, I'm waiting. All you experts out there in the comments, tell me everything I did wrong with sharpening this chainsaw, okay? From moving the wrong direction, I didn't have it in a vise. Go ahead, tell me all the things I did wrong. And while you're doing that, I'm going to be out cutting down trees with it. I tell you folks, if it's not one thing, it's another. So we're pulling this tree down, and of course we broke another tie rod end, so I gotta go buy one, and then maybe we'll be able to fix this thing and get it out of here. I should have my grapple next week, so hopefully we won't be doing this with the forks too much more. All right, here's our first log, nice 12-footer. We're gonna make some 12-foot 2x4s out of this. I think we're gonna have to lift that end up, the small end up a bit. That's why you saw me turn the log around, because I want the small end on the head of the mill. So let's go ahead and clamp this side up. Not super tight, just... I knew I'd left stuff out here for a reason. There we go, 2 inches up. Now we can clamp that side too. Alright, it's clamped up good. Now we're going to start cutting this bad boy. It actually worked really well. We got a good cut. We'll go ahead and flip this. Cut the other side. Gotta get that block out of there. first two dimensional 2x4s, 12-footers. We're at 4 3/4. 4 3/4. So 3 1/8. These are just under, but we're going to use them anyway. We'll find a use for them, I'm sure. I'm sure we'll find a use. Just have to remember those two there. Stack them a little bit differently. Pretty productive day at the sawmill. We got some 8-foot 2x4s, some 12-foot and some 10-foot 2x4s. We got some 1x8s, 1x6s, and even a couple 1x4s. That's what we did today. So folks, that was a pretty productive day on the sawmill. We did all that lumber today. Like I said, like everyone's saying these days, lumber prices are just incredible. What we did today, we did 20 8-foot 2x4s, 10 10-foot 2x4s, 12 12-foot 2x4s, 4 8-foot 1x8s, 10 8-foot 1x6s, and I did 2 1x4s, just some scrap. There's more scrap over there that I could have cut into other boards, but we burn all the slabs and all the flitches and everything that comes off. I got a big pile of that. We burn that in our fire pit. We burn it in Sweetie. So we give it away to people to burn in their fire pits and whatnot. So I just want to give you the numbers. Now, this is today's prices at Lowe's. You saw the $8.68 for an 8-foot 2x4, and that's just the whitewood studs. That's not even the select. The select is like 15 bucks. So I'm just going with the whitewood, which mine's actually even better than that, but I'm going with their low prices, okay? So our 8-foot 2x4s at $8.68 a piece, that's $173.60. Our 10-footers are $12.96 a piece for $129.60. 12-footers are $15.96 a piece. For 12 of them is $191.52. The 1x8s are $17.61 a piece. 4 of them is $70.44. 1x6s at $12.60 a piece. 10 of them, $126.60. And the 1x4s, which are $13.56 a piece. They're more than 1x6s. I don't get that. Anyway, 2 of them is $27.12. A grand total, today's lumber, $718.88. That's from 2 12-inch pine trees. That's it. Just 2 12-inch pine trees. They weren't even that big. Little trees. I cut them down because I'm making another trail through the woods. They're in the way. I've got like 10 more to cut down there, and we're going to cut them all in the lumber for projects we got going on. So it's crazy. These lumber prices they're insane. I don't get it. And I don't foresee them coming down anytime soon because with futures, lumber futures being what they are for the next few months, they're not going to want to lose money. And you saw the stacks of lumber at Lowe's. You go into your local Lowe's, I'm sure it's the same thing. I got my stacks of lumber right here. Believe me, they are protected. Between cameras and you've seen our big puppies, they'll take care of things around here for us. So that's it today, folks. We got the mill going again. We're gonna keep it going and keep making our lumber. I enjoy doing it, so that's gonna be it from the mountain for today, folks. So you know what to do with our videos, and as always, God bless.